Hello friends, I'm Crystal and I welcome you all to my channel Nostalgia. Friends, before starting my video, I would like to let you all know that please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And please click the bell icon for getting the updates of my new video and don't forget to share. So friends, today in this video, I'm gonna tell you that how to make your own Google account. Most of the people, they want their Google account, but some of them are that they don't know that how to make a Google account. Many are there who knows, but some are there who doesn't knows. So friends, in this video I'm gonna tell you that how to make your own Google account by yourself. Have to ask anyone to please help me to make me Google account and then all. So friends, first of all, go to your Gmail option and then just click here over, or first of all, to go to your Gmail account, then click here. Here is the arrow that you have to click here, and then here add account. Then here are the options that Outlook, Hotmail, Live, Google, Yahoo.com, then Exchange Offices and other. There are so many options to make your account, but today in this video I'm gonna just tell you that how to make Google account. Then you will get the idea that how to make a Yahoo account, Yahoo.com account, that Hotmail account, Outlook. Then so many options are there. But today we are just going to learn that how to make a Google account. So just click here. Here's I'm just making the sample one. So you have to click here, click create a new account. I was just trying and just signing in my account, but I'm just going to tell you that how to create a new account. Create a new account. Just click here, then your first name, just I'm putting here Rab, just for example. That's not suitable, so we had to make with another number. Now it's done. Now it's done. Sorry, here. Oh, sorry. I had done one mistake, that here suggested username is giving that we had to type here. 831. Now it will be done. Sorry friends for that was my mistake. Sorry friends for that my mistake. By mistake I had done that, but I forget to tell you that the username will be suggested at the bottom. Then that you have to put the same username. Then nothing. Then yes, me. Then just click yes this option and then agree, and just all it is done. Then here it will be checking for the information, and then friends, here it's that done. You had made your own Gmail account. Now I'm going to show you the proof that you had made it. See, Rahul Mehra, that I had showed you. See friends, Rahul Mehra, that we had made this Gmail account now. So friends, I was just telling you that this, by watching my video, definitely you will learn